Here's 4 sound effects you should be using to make your footage more cinematic. Number 1. Risers. Risers create anticipation and are great to build tension. Number 2. Hits. Hits adds impact and emphasizes important moments. Number 3. Ambience. Ambience create environments. They immerse the viewer into the environment you're creating. Number 4. Whooshes. Whooshes adds movement and energy into your transitions. And now make sure to use these sound effects in your next project to make it more cinematic. And if you want to see some more great content, follow and like for more.